This will be the elevator at the Macy store in Franklin Park Mall at Toledo, Ohio. Oh wow, we got Haughton here. 70s L series. This is awesome. I'll go my own on this one.
Okay, I'm not gonna look at women's clothes, so I'll wait here for you.
Old Haughton. Oh yeah. Epic.
Go ahead.
So the 3, 2, oh wait. Here we go. Epic motor. £5,500. This is epic. This deserves 2 rides. 3's locked. This thing is epic. 70s L series, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. It says Microtech. This deserves another ride. Whoa.
Quick.
Here we go. Completely original. Absolutely epic. This is an epic elevator. 70s L series, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone, 5,500 pounds capacity, Haughton. I'm dedicating this to Jimster 586 since he loves Haughton. There we go, watch the doors closing. There goes Ann. That's it.